Namaskara. Good morning to all of you. Wish you all a very happy day. It's your day, Children's Day. Whether you are a 6-year-old or a 18-year-old, each one of you is a dear child for us, for all of us. Every year on this day, we all look forward to this day and we come together at the Mahasagar, where the teachers present a program for all of you, a way of showing how we love each one of you. This year we can't do that, but the teachers have all come together to put up a show for you that will be presented through this online medium. We all miss you and we are eagerly waiting for all of you to come back to the valley. It's not just us. There are many special things that are happening and waiting for you at the valley. The millipedes, the dragonflies, the turtles, the playground, the basketball field, the jungle gym, everything is waiting for you to come. I'm sure you're also missing the yum food in the dining hall. We are looking forward to seeing you all together. Till then, we'll be in touch through this online mode. Happy Children's Day. Hope you enjoyed this program that many teachers and some former teachers have come together to put up for you.
चिलंग कटी ओडी ओडी वायो एने तामर कनाडी आडी वायो चिलंग कटी ओडी ओडी वायो एने तामर कनाडी आडी वायो इने तिंचे पाद तेरी तेरी रंगल इने दिव्य नाम पाड़ी पाड़ी वंदो
Hello children, inspired by the insects that class 1 teachers have been discussing in class, here is a little ode to all Valley children, from the youngest to the oldest.
You are the bee, dancing to your own joyful tunes, standing up for your friends and sharing the sweet nectar of life with all of us.
You are the dragonfly, swift in your perception, forever adapting and renewing yourselves.
You are the termite, turning over the world, recycling all the locked riches, silently strengthening yourselves as much underground, as much above the soil.
You are the butterfly, metamorphosing before our eyes into beautiful souls. The fleeting contact with you, bringing color and everlasting joy to our lives.
So always remember how special all of you are and keep flying high. Happy Children's Day!
Happy Children's
Happy
Day!
Children's Day!
Hello, children. This is Shanky here, wishing you all a wonderful Children's Day. Have a great day of fun and frolic. Do you recognize how badly Valley has been missing you all? 2020 has been a year of different kinds of learning. We have all learned to be patient, resilient, and to live with minimal things. Let's put all that behind us now, because it's time now to celebrate Children's Day. Here we go. बूंदी जिलेबी लड्डू बादामी हलवा 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 नीवा बूंदी जिलेबी लड्डू बादामी हलवा 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 नीवा பொறுமையுடனே காத்திருப்பது பசியும் மிக்கது நெய் மணக்குது பொறுமையுடனே காத்திருப்பது பசியும் மிக்கது நெய் மணக்குது பூந்தி ஜிலேபி லட்டு பாதாமி ஹல்வா 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 நீவா ஓமப்பொடி கரா பூந்தி பஜ்ஜிகள் தினுசு 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 பகு சொகுசு ஓமப்பொடி கரா பூந்தி பஜ்ஜிகள் தினுசு 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 பகு சொகுசு மொறு மொறுங்குது மூக்க தொலைக்கிது விழுங்க விழுங்க வயிற்றுக்குள் போகுது மொறு மொறுங்குது மூக்க தொலைக்கிது விழுங்க விழுங்க வயிற்றுக்குள் போகுது பூந்தி ஜிலேபி லட்டு பாதாமி ஹல்வா 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 நீவா ஹல்வா ஹல்வா நீவா நீவா நீவா
Hi children, a very happy Children's Day to all of you and welcome to the magical world of rhymes of Indian languages. Today we have come with a few rhymes for all of you. We begin with Malayalam. There are 3 rhymes that we have chosen for you. The first one is about the crow and a small boy. The boy is being tricked by the crow to get the appam for its little one in the nest. The second one is about the Misha man, Keshavan, who is very fond of having dosas but unfortunately does not have money to buy one. And the third one is about pappadam. I'm sure it is one of our most favorite delicacies at Valley and we are definitely missing that quite a bit. So let's enjoy and have fun. കാക്കേ കാക്കേ കൂടെവിടെ കൂട്ടിനകത്തൊരു കുഞ്ഞുണ്ടോ കുഞ്ഞിനു തീറ്റ കൊടുക്കാഞ്ഞാൽ കുഞ്ഞു കിടന്നു കരഞ്ഞില്ലും കുഞ്ഞേ കുഞ്ഞേ നീ തരുമോ നിന്നുടെ കയ്യിലെ നെയ്യപ്പം ഇല്ല തരില്ല നെയ്യപ്പം അയ്യോ കാക്കേ പറ്റിച്ചേ മീശക്കാരൻ കേശവന് ദോഷത്തിനാനാശ ദോഷ വാങ്ങാൻ കാശിനായി തപ്പി നോക്കി കീശ മീശക്കാരൻ കേശവന് ദോഷത്തിനാനാശ ദോഷ വാങ്ങാൻ കാശിനായി തപ്പി നോക്കി കീശ മേശയിലും കാശില്ല കീശയിലും കാശില്ല മേശയിലും കാശില്ല കീശയിലും കാശില്ല ദോഷ തിന്നാൻ കേശവന് ഏറി വന്നു ആശ. ഡം ഡം പപ്പടം പടം പടം പപ്പടം അപ്പുറം ഇപ്പുറം ഒരുപോലെ പപ്പടം കണ്ണുള്ള പപ്പടം കവിളുള്ള പപ്പടം കണ്ണുള്ള പപ്പടം കവിളുള്ള പപ്പടം എണ്ണയിൽ കലബലം പാടിയ പപ്പടം അയ്യോ താഴെ വീണു പൊടി പൊടി പപ്പടം.
today I'm going to recite a few poems in Marathi. The first poem is about a cockroach taking a free bus ride. I am sure all of you have some experience with cockroaches in bus, and I have really enjoyed having some cockroaches in Nupchu bus. एक होतं झुरळ, चालत नव्हतं सरळ, बसमध्ये चढलं, सीट खाली जाऊन दडलं, तिकीट नाही काढलं, तसंच घरी पोचलं, तसंच घरी गाठलं. काऊ काऊ इथं बैस, चिऊ चिऊ तिथं बैस, काऊ काऊ इथं बैस, चिऊ चिऊ तिथं बैस, दाणा खा पाणी पी, दाणा खा पाणी पी, भुर्र करून डोक्यावर बैस, भुर्र करून डोक्यावर बैस. Thank you.
Okay, I'll be reciting a Gujarati funny poem. It's about a fat cat who wears a sari and goes to the lake and then spots a crocodile and gets eaten up by it. So here it goes. एक बिलाड़ी जाड़ी, एने पेरी साड़ी, सारी पेरी फरवा गई, तलाव माँ ए तरवा गई. साड़ी नो छेड़ो छूटी गयो, मगर ना मुँह में आवी गयो. छेड़ो साड़ी मगर खेची गयो, मगर बिलाड़ी खाई गयो.
Hello children, now we have a Telugu poem for you all. And do you know who's with me? This auntie has been waiting for everybody to come back. And she's ready to serve us Bisibele Bath, Uppittu, Chutney Pudi and Idli and Mysore Pak. Can you guess who it is? Yes, it's Lakshmi auntie. Hi children. This poem is about animal homes. Ramachiluka, మీ ఇల్లెక్కడా? చెట్టు తొర్రలపై నా ఇల్లు. పిచ్చుకమ్మ మీ ఇల్లెక్కడా? వేలాడగూడే నా ఇల్లు. సింహం మామ మీ ఇల్లెక్కడా? కొండ గుహలో నా ఇల్లు. నాగరాజు మీ ఇల్లెక్కడా? చీమ పుట్టే నా ఇల్లు. కాకమ్మ మీ ఇల్లెక్కడా? ఎత్తైన చెట్టుపై నా ఇల్లు. నత్తగుల్లమ్మ మీ ఇల్లెక్కడా? నాపై ఉందిలే నా ఇల్లు. హ్యాపీ చిల్డ్రన్స్ డే.
I'm going to tell you a poem, Dragonfly Marriage. Foding Babur B.A. Foding Babur B.A. Foding Babur B.A. টিকটিকিতে ঢোলক বাজায় মাথায় টুপি দিয়ে, টিকটিকিতে ঢোলক বাজায় মাথায় টুপি দিয়ে, ফড়িং বাবুর বিয়ে, আজ ফড়িং বাবুর বিয়ে। বেয়ারা হলো আর শোলা পালকিটাকে নিয়ে, বেয়ারা হলো আর শোলা পালকিটাকে নিয়ে, ফড়িং বাবুর বিয়ে, আজ ফড়িং বাবুর বিয়ে। ফড়িং বাবুর বিয়ে হলো ঢাক ঢোল বাজিয়ে, ফড়িং বাবুর বিয়ে হলো ঢাক ঢোল বাজিয়ে, ফড়িং বাবুর বিয়ে। দেখতে এলো সেজে গুজে পিঁপড়েরা সব মিলে, দেখতে এলো সেজে গুজে পিঁপড়েরা সব মিলে, ফড়িং বাবুর বিয়ে, আজ ফড়িং বাবুর বিয়ে। ঘাসের পাতায় লুচি হলো ভাজা গাওয়া ঘিয়ে, ঘাসের পাতায় লুচি হলো ভাজা গাওয়া ঘিয়ে, ফড়িং বাবুর বিয়ে, আজ ফড়িং বাবুর বিয়ে। দই সন্দেশ তৈরি হলো মাটিতে জল দিয়ে, দই সন্দেশ তৈরি হলো মাটিতে জল দিয়ে, ব্যাঙের ছাতার নিচে সবাই খেতে বসলো গিয়ে, ব্যাঙের ছাতার নিচে সবাই খেতে বসলো গিয়ে, ফড়িং বাবুর বিয়ে, আজ আজ ফড়িং বাবুর বিয়ে টিকটিকিতে ঢোলক বাজায় মাথায় টুপি দিয়ে টিকটিকিতে ঢোলক বাজায় মাথায় টুপি দিয়ে ফড়িং বাবার বিয়ে আজ ফড়িং বাবার বিয়ে
Children's Day.
There comes a time when we hear your certain call, when the world must come together as one. There are people dying, and it's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all. We can go on pretending day by day that someone somewhere is to make a change. We are all a part of God's great big family, and the truth in your love's all we need. We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones who make a brighter day, so let's start giving. There's our choice we're making. We're saving our own lives. It's true, we make a better day, just you and me. Send them your heart, so they know that someone cares, and their lives will be stronger and free. There's God who showing us by turning stone to bread, and so we all must lend a helping hand. We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones who make a brighter day, so let's start giving. There's our choice we're making. We're saving our own lives. It's true, we make a better day, just you and me. When you're down and out, there seems no hope at all. But if you just believe, there's nowhere we can fall. Let us realize that a change can always come when we stand together as one. We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones who make a brighter day, so let's start giving. There's our choice we're making. We're saving our own lives. It's true, we make a better day, just you and me. We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones who make a brighter day, so let's start giving.
Hello. Today I want to tell you all a story, a beautiful story about a man who created something very beautiful. Everybody loves to create something, isn't it? I'm sure you like to create something. The last 8 months when you were at home, I'm sure you tried your hand in creating something new. Maybe you created something in your artwork, or maybe you helped your parents in the kitchen and created something new, or many other things. Why do we create something new? Is it for our own joy and happiness, or is there some other reason? Maybe we'll get an answer to this question when we listen to this story. Okay? There is this man who still lives in the northeastern part of India, in the state of Assam. You know, Assam is a very fertile state, a very beautiful state. And this man loves tree places, places which are full of trees, because tree places are full of life. Whenever he sees trees, he feels like hugging them, and he's very happy when he sees the trees. He gets very sad when he sees no tree places. What are these no tree places? Places where there are no trees? One day, when he was walking along the banks of river Brahmaputra, he found a sandy place. A sandy place which was full of sand, but no trees. But he saw something funny. He saw that the sand was striped. And when he went close to see what the stripes are, they weren't stripes at all. They were snakes that were not living. They were snakes that were dead. How did they come here? This river Brahmaputra, which is a mighty ferocious river, every year when it is flooding, it flows into the sand and washes away everything that is there on top of the soil. The plant, the animals, the insects, and therefore no trees were growing. It was barren. This man was very sad and he wanted to create trees in that place. So he went and brought bamboo. Bamboo grows very well in sandy places. He started planting bamboo all along the place. This happened about 50 years ago. And after he started planting bamboo, the bamboo started growing very well. And the sand became brown. It became a soil. Then he said, okay, now the soil is brown. I can plant more trees. Let me go to the village and bring more trees and plant. And he planted so many trees. He planted trees that grow in Assam naturally. And I'll tell you some of the names of the trees that he planted. Arjun tree, Ijar tree, Gulmohar tree, Koroi tree, Moj tree, and Himolu tree. These are all trees that grow big and produce lovely flowers. After a few years, the place became a beautiful forest full of trees that had colorful flowers. And this man was very, very, very happy to see all this. After the forest became dense with so many trees, what started coming in? Birds started coming in. Lots of birds that live on land as well as those who like water started coming in. Storks, pelicans, ducks, parakeets, even the hornbill started coming into this forest. And this man was so happy to see the birds there. And it was not just the birds. After the birds came, guess what came in? Animals. Small animals, big animals. It started with insects and rabbits and gibbons, and then came elephants, the deer, tigers, lions and whatnot. After some time, even the snakes came back to that place. It was a full-fledged forest with trees and shrubs and herbs and animals and insects and birds. This man was very, very happy he has created something beautiful where so many forms of life are there. But he didn't stop there. He started walking, he started cycling to places where there were no trees, the no trees places, and he started planting more and more trees. He is called the Forest Man of India. His name is Jadav Payeng, Jadav Mulai Payeng. And the forest he created are called the Mulai Forest. And this forest man is willing to go everywhere and tell students, youngsters and everybody how creating a forest brings so much of joy to everybody, not just to yourself. Even in Karnataka, you must have heard about this old lady. Her name is Salumarada Timmakka. She didn't have children and she planted 400 banyan trees and she has been taking care of them. So these are all people who have been creating something beautiful. And I would leave it to you to answer, why did they do it? Why did they create something new? Okay? Good day. Happy Children's Day. Hope all of you enjoyed this story. When I told Chandan uncle that I am going to narrate this story and asked him if he can create props for this, he immediately agreed. And he created these lovely paintings that looked so good and appropriate for this story. Thank you, Chandan, so much.
Happy Children's Day. We are going to recite a small Kannada poem. Let's start. Gundadi gunda madve mane goda attuladu tinda ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ನೋವು ಎಂದ ಇನ್ನೂ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ ಅಪ್ಪದೊಣ್ಣೆ ತಂದ ಕೈ ಕಟ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಮುಚ್ಚ.
This is a Kannada rhyme about an elephant from Valley School who realizes that children are missing Mohan uncle's coconut burfis. So he decides to go visit them and distribute coconut burfis to them. Aane bantondane, yaurane, Valley shale yane, illigeke bantu, maklan nodak bantu, kobri mitai tantu, ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹಂಚ್ತು. Happy Children's Day. ಆನೆ ಓಡಿ ಹೋಯ್ತು.
This is a small Tamil poem about a cute, pretty squirrel sharing a round, ripe guava with me. Enjoy. அணிலே அணிலே ஓடிவா, அழகிய அணிலே ஓடிவா, கொய்யா மரம் ஏறிவா, குண்டு பழம் கொண்டு வா. பாதி பழம் உன்னிடம், பாதி பழம் என்னிடம், கூடி கூடி இருவரும் குறித்து குறித்து தின்னலாம், குறித்து குறித்து தின்னலாம்.
When I was just a little girl, I asked my mother, what will I be? Will I be pretty? Will I be rich? Here's what she said to me. Que sara, sara, whatever will be, will be. The future's not ours to see. Que sara, sara, what will be, will be. When I grew up and fell in love, I asked my sweetheart, what lies ahead? Will there be rainbows day after day? Here's what my sweetheart said. Que sara, sara, whatever will be, will be. The future's not ours to see. Que sara, sara, what will be, will be. Now I have children of my own. They ask their mother, what will I be? Will I be pretty? Will I be rich? I tell them tenderly, que sara, sara, whatever will be, will be. The future's not ours to see. Que sara, sara, what will be, will be. Happy Children's Day.
See trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white, the bright blessed day, the dark sacred night, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, and also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're only saying, I love you. I see babies crying, I watch them grow. They learn so much more than I'll ever know. Then I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Then I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Popcorn was quite simply the friendliest chicken at Fiddlestick's farm. He insisted on saying hello to every animal every morning.
Oh, hello. कैसे हो आप? नमस्ते जी. मैं भी ठीक हूँ.
बहुत बढ़िया, आपको मिलकर बहुत अच्छा लगा.
हमें भी जी. Bye. Take care. Hello. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ನೀವೇ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ದಿವಸ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಸೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ನಮಗೆ.
ಹೌದು, ನಮಗೂ ನಿಮ್ದೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ನಾನು
ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇರಿ, ಅವಾಗ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರಿ.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. How are you today?
I'm well. You know, I love seeing you every morning. It's just the perfect start to the day.
Oh yes, it is indeed. Many congratulations.
Oh, thank you. What is this? Thank
He
you.
is such a friendly rooster. It's no wonder he wins the friendliest animal on Fiddlestick's Farm Award every year.
No wonder. Really
Hey.
friendly.
What happened to you? Don't be sad. Oh, here, why don't you take this? I think this will make you feel better.
So nice.
Cheer up.
He's so friendly, no? Yeah, such a friendly. No wonder he gets the medal. Very helpful also. Such a kind popcorn.
Hey, how are you all? Looks like you're having a party here.
Yeah, please join us. Why don't you join us for the party?
Hey, what's that?
For some tea.
What is this? Yeah, what is this?
What is this?
Oh, wow. Saying hello to me.
A toy that's saying hello.
Hello. Oh, hello to you too.
We love you.
Oh, I love you too. I don't know who you are, but I love you anyway. Oh, this is wonderful.
I want to meet you.
Oh, so do I.
Let's have a party.
Oh, absolutely. I look forward to it.
Hi. What is that? Hey, popcorn. Why don't you come have tea?
Have some
No.
tea with us. Come.
No, thanks.
He was so friendly. He's so ignorant now. What happened to him?
Us. He's just walking away.
He did not see also.
Yeah. Hey, popcorn. Hey.
Popcorn.
Come.
He's not even listening now.
What is this?
It's very bad.
Oh wow, this is lovely.
No, he's not friendly now. Hey, did you see Popcorn today?
No, I haven't seen him in a while.
Where is he gone?
No idea. He seems to just be lost in that toy he found that day.
What's that toy?
No idea. It's a toy that makes a lot of sounds, and he says it's a friend machine.
What is wrong with him? He's
Something
such
has
a friendly rooster. What has happened to him suddenly?
Hey, he's there. Shall we call him?
Popcorn! Popcorn, hello!
Popcorn! Can you hear us?
Hey, Popcorn! Popcorn, please help me. A pack is spinning. Please give me this. Popcorn!
Maybe later.
I always knew this guy was never worthy of that award. Here.
Cheers so much.
Yes, a party is a great idea. That's a fabulous idea.
Let's meet soon.
Yes,
Go and tell
absolutely. How does tomorrow sound?
Sure. We can't wait.
Oh, neither can I. Oh, this is so exciting. Thank you, fabulous friend machine.
Hope to see you soon.
Did you know that Popcorn is having a party?
No!
And he didn't invite any of us.
He didn't even. How did he do that?
I knew he had changed a lot. He was never worthy of that award.
How could he do this? He's
How could he
changed.
change?
Let's go find out.
Yes, come on, let's go. Let's go.
Fudge on one hand, this fabulous friend machine on the other. I really must be living in some kind of paradise.
So delicious.
Hello. Hello, friends.
Yeah. We are very close.
Oh, I'm glad to hear that. When will you get here? Hurry up. Are you my friends?
So delicious.
Could be.
Could be.
Yummy chicken. Yummy chicken.
We got more chicken in here. We got more chicken in here.
Ado Bhavi.
More chicken in there. More chicken. We are having only for chicken.
Yeah, we got him back.
So good to have you back.
Good to have you back, Popcorn. Come. Are you okay?
Where is that machine?
Take it away, thankfully. Good riddance.
Yes. Good riddance.
It really wasn't such a fabulous friend machine after all. I don't think it was fabulous. And I don't think it helped me make friends either.
Yes.
I'm sorry.
We're just happy you are safe.
Yes, you're back with us.
You're back and you're safe.
Yes.
Thank you for being my friends. And you know what? I think this fudge has to be for my real fabulous friends. And I think that's you all.
We say Happy Children's Day.
Soumya says and then we follow it as one.
Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day.
Thank you, Chandan.
Thank you so much. वो बोलेगा तभी
हमको इधर देखना पड़ेगा.
अरे ये सब रिकॉर्ड है.
Just keep it. Keep it.
hungry. It's so sunny. I think I'll have to come out to get some food. Huh? Huh? What is that? Children! Children! Oh my goodness, my lovely, lovely Valley School children! Wow! I haven't seen you for so long. How come you're here? What is it? Let me guess. It's Children's Day? Happy Children's Day, all of you. Have a lovely, happy, happy day. Happy Children's Day from this old Totty. Tortoise, who's, I used to keep walking around your school and looking for all of you. But there was no sound of laughter, no lovely pitter-patter of little feet, no yelling and screaming and yeah, during the league matches. No lovely assembly songs in the Mahasagar. I used to love to listen to that. No sound at all. The basketball, the volleyball court, all quiet. No footy in the football field. Nothing at all. So I was wondering, crawling slowly, where are the children? Where are the lovely Valley School children? Then some of your uncles and aunties who live in the valley, they came and told me, Totty, old Totty, there is something, they said. There are no children here because there's something. What is it that they said? There is something, a wire? No, not a wire. That is not the word. What did they say? Wireless? No, not wireless also. Virus. There is some coronavirus around. So the children can't come to school. Nobody can come to school. They all have to stay safe and healthy in their houses. I said, oh, okay. So they told me, Totty, you go and sit quietly somewhere. And I said, okay. And then they also told me that, you human beings, you all have to wear this thing. It's called a mask. That I believe you'll have to wear this to prevent, this virus from getting to you all. I said, oh, okay. So then I thought, I will stay quietly under here, my clump of trees, and wait for y'all. And similarly, the beautiful birds of valley, the panther, the elephants, the bees, the butterflies, we are all waiting for you to come back. You will come back. So I will stay till then under this little clump. When you'll come back, call out to me, Totty, where are you? You and your friends come out, and I will crawl out again and come happily to play with all of you again. Till we meet again, have a safe and happy Diwali and happy Children's Day once more to all of you. Bye-bye.
बचपन हमारे जीवन का सबसे सुनहरा और यादगार चरण है। इसमें इतनी मौज मस्ती और मिठास भरी होती है कि हर व्यक्ति दोबारा से बचपन को जीना चाहता है। मैं आज आपके समक्ष बचपन पर एक कविता प्रस्तुत कर रही हूँ जो श्री अमित चौहान द्वारा लिखी गई है। वो बचपन का दौर जो बीता, जिंदगी का सबसे पल था वो मीठा। कितनी प्यारी लगती थी दादी और नानी जो हमको सुनाती थी किस्से और कहानी। छोटी सी खुशियों में हंसना, रो देना चोट जो लगी, घर वाले भी हमसे करते थे दिल लगी। कहते मीठा फिर खिलाते जो तीखा, वो बचपन का दौर जो बीता। जिंदगी का सबसे पल था वो मीठा। कभी बनना था डॉक्टर, कभी बनना था शायर। हर पल बदलते थे सपने, कोई थे भैया कोई थे चाचा। हर कोई जैसा हो अपने, छोटी सी मुश्किल में चेहरा होता जो फीका, वो बचपन का दौर जो बीता। जिंदगी का सबसे पल था वो मीठा, पापा से डरना और माँ से जो लड़ना, करके गुस्ताखी फिर उलझन में पड़ना। ना कोई गम था ना कोई डर था, बस खेल खिलौने का फिक्र था। बचपन का हर पल होता है अनूठा, वो बचपन का दौर जो बीता, जिंदगी का सबसे पल था वो मीठा। धन्यवाद।
Hello, children. How often has it been said that every day needs to be enjoyed to the fullest? We don't need days dedicated to anyone, but you children are precious. Children the world over are precious. My blessings to all of you. A little song from my side to explain the several meanings of love, relationship, and the space, the beautiful Valley School.
यही वो जगह, यही वो फिजाएं, यहीं पर कभी आप हम से मिले थे। यही वो जगह है, यही वो फिजाएं, यहीं पर कभी आप हमसे मिले थे। इन्हें हम भला किस तरह भूल जाएं, यहीं पर कभी आप हमसे मिले थे। यहीं पर मिला हाथ में हाथ लेकर, कभी ना बिछड़ने का वादा किया था। सदा के लिए हो गए हम तुम्हारे, गले से लगा कर हमें ये कहा था। कभी कम न होंगी हमारी वफाएं, यहीं पर कभी आप हमसे मिले थे। यहीं पर वफा का नया रंग भर के बनाए थे चाहत की तस्वीर तुमने। यहीं की बहारों से फूलों को चुनकर सवारी की उल्फत की तकदीर तुमने। वो दिन आपको याद कैसे दिलाएं, यहीं पर कभी आप हमसे मिले थे। यही वो जगह है, यही वो फिजाएं, यहीं पर कभी आप हमसे मिले थे।
Welcome to the Welcome, a play by Rabindranath Tagore. Chatur Bhuj has come back to the village after passing his MA examinations, hoping that the villagers will make a great fuss over him. He has a plum cap in his hands. Let's see how he is welcomed by his village folk.
La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. नमस्कार नीलरत्न बाबू, नमस्कार।
कब आए?
अरे तुरंत एग्जाम खत्म होने के बाद आ गए मैं।
कितनी सुंदर बिल्ली है।
मेरा इस साल
सुंदर बिल्ली है। कहाँ से मिली?
मुझे याद नहीं है। मेरा विषय थे नीलरत्न बाबू।
कितने में खरीदी?
मुझे याद नहीं है। अच्छा नीलरत्न बाबू, हमारा गांव में किसी ने एमए किया क्या?
एमए?
हाँ।
वो ताला
हाँ, उधर ताला के पास।
हाँ, उधर वो मधुसूदन रॉय।
अच्छा, मधुसूदन रॉय, उसका घर उधर है।
उधर 2 घर है छोटे-छोटे।
हाँ, दो घर है।
मधुसूदन का बाबा वो प्रतिमा, दुर्गा का प्रतिमा बना के दुर्गा अष्टमी के लिए बेचता है।
अच्छा,
उसी का,
उसका छोटा छले।
उसी का।
अच्छा,
बेटा एमए किया कोलकाता जाके।
वो एमए कर लिया?
हाँ, कर लिया।
अच्छा, और कोई?
और कौन है? हाँ, वो तालाब के पास में बाड़ी।
हाँ, घर छिलो।
जो ब्रिज, नाला के पास में ब्रिज।
एक छोटा नाली था। हाँ, उसका घर।
उसका
ओ अच्छा, একটা মেয়ে ছিল।
ঋতুপর্ণা सेन।
अच्छा, वो
याद है? साइकिल से गिरा दिया था तुमने उसको।
वो सब छोड़ दीजिए।
बाबा कितना डांट लगाया था तुमको।
ओ, मैं भूल गया।
उसने भी एमए किया है।
उसने भी एमए कर लिया?
हाँ, उसने भी एमए किया।
अरे बाप रे, तो मेरा एग्जाम का क्या होगा?
हाँ, कितनी अच्छी बिल्ली, कहाँ से मिल गई तुमको ये?
छोड़ दीजिए, मैं भी एमए का।
अरे चलो, अभी बहुत थके हुए लग रहे हो, बाद में मिलते हैं। चलो, बाद में मिलेंगे। नमस्कार।
ये भगवान, ये बिल्ली के बारे में ही पूछते रहता है। अरे मैं इतना बड़ा परीक्षा दिया, वो कुछ नहीं है। अरे बिल्ली ना हो तो। अरे बिल्ली कहाँ से आया, कहाँ से मिली, किधर से खरीद किया? ये बिल्ली ना हो तो ये ताजमहल आजुबा ला 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 ला।
अरे चतुर्भुज बाबू, कब आए हैं?
नमस्ते।
नमस्ते नमस्ते नमस्ते। कैसे हैं आप?
मैं ठीक हूँ। I have just finished my MA.
अच्छा, मेरे बीए दे दिले। बिटिया के शादी कर दिया आपने। हमें तो कुछ बताया ही नहीं है, पता ही नहीं चला हम लोगों को।
You mistake me wrong, sir. MA means after BA.
अच्छा, समझ में आया। अरे ये शहर के लोग, आप लोग जो उसको बीए कहते हैं ना, गांव में हम लोग उसी को शादी ब्याह कहते रहते हैं। बात वही है।
You mistake me, sir. Not BA. It's not marriage. It's BA.
अच्छा, मुझे समझ में आ गया है कि पढ़ाई बहुत कर लिया आपने। लेकिन ये बिल्ली कहाँ से लाए हैं? ये तो बहुत खूबसूरत बिल्ली है।
I'm not talking about the cat. It's the BA.
नहीं, गांव में ऐसे बिल्ली हम लोगों ने कभी देखा ही नहीं है। हाँ, ये बहुत बढ़िया बिल्ली है। ऐसा है, इसको लेके आइए, हमारे घर में लेके आइए, घर वाले खुश हो जाएंगे। और आप नहीं आ सकते हैं तो बिन्नी के साथ भेज देना, खुश हो जाएंगे, घर वाले बहुत खुश होंगे। ठीक है चतुर्भुज जी, मिलते हैं, फिर आपसे मिलते हैं।
मैं जरूर आएंगे।
हाँ ठीक है,
जरूर
आइएगा जरूर।
ला 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 ला।
अरे भाई, नमस्ते।
नमस्ते।
कहाँ थे इतने दिन?
मैं थोड़ा सा जल्दी में।
अरे भाई, कहाँ थे? अरे कितनी सुंदर बिल्ली है,
मुझे
बहुत बढ़िया है। कहाँ से लाया?
मैं बाद में बात करेंगे। मुझे थोड़ा सा, मैं जल्दी में हूँ, मुझे घर जाना है।
क्या हुआ आजकल के बच्चों को? लड़के सुनते ही नहीं हैं। ये पढ़ लिख कर दिमाग खराब हो जाता है इन लोगों का शायद। क्या पढ़ लिख कर यही होता है?
माँ, मैं
आगे बेटा। ये बिल्ली तो
अरे दादा, कितनी प्यारी बिल्ली है।
अरे तू
मैं पकड़ लूं?
तू भी मेरा पीछे है।
अरे दो ना दादा।
नो।
अरे दो तो एक
सारा दिन मेरा बिल्ली
एक
बिल्ली करते
बाटी
रहते
दो,
हैं।
प्लीज।
अरे मुझे तो पागल करके रखा है सब।
अरे क्यों तंग करती है उसको? इतने दिन बाद आज ही शहर से आया है ना।
आप हमेशा मुझे क्यों डांटते रहते हो?
डांट नहीं रही हूँ, ये बिल्ली दे दे, थोड़ा इसे दूध भात खिला के फिर खेलना, है ना? ला बिल्ली दे, थोड़ा दूध
माँ,
भात खिलाऊं।
तू भी ना लो।
ये ले।
मैं जा रहा हूँ।
कहाँ जा रहा है?
मैं जा रहा हूँ।
आज
ये
ही
लोग
तो अभी तो आया है।
मैं जा रहा हूँ। ये लोग सब बिल्ली बिल्ली करते हैं, ये सब बिल्ली का दीवाना है। मैं जा रहा हूँ।
गया गया, जा रोक।
अरे काका, ये बिल्ली की पूंछ देखो कितनी लंबी है।
किसकी? चतुर्भुज की?
नहीं, बिल्ली की।
बिल्ली की?
सारा जमाना
बिल्ली का दीवाना।
चतुर्भुज जी, आपका बिल्ली कहाँ है?
बिल्ली मर गया।
कैसे करके मर गया?
पूछो मत, सबका हालत है, एक दिन ऐसे ही होगा।
ओ बहुत बुरा हुआ, बहुत गुस्से में है, बहुत गुस्से में है।
Secret camera हटाओ। This to our cameraman worked hard.
Happy Children's Day!
कितना रहस्य था, सीक्रेट था उसकी भोली सी बात में। भेद गया अंदर तक मुझे, झंझोड़ तक रख दिया। शैटर्ड मी, ताक पर रह गया इतने सालों का अनुभव। प्रश्न कर रही थी अपने आप से, पढ़ाने का मतलब जोर जोर से बोलना है? क्या इससे बच्चों को समझ में आता है? उस दिन से आज तक जब भी जोर से बोलती हूँ, फौरन ही वो भोली सी बात जहन में आती है। आंटी, आपकी आवाज़ जूनियर स्कूल के बाथरूम तक सुनाई दे रही है। सच में किसी से भी किसी उम्र में बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है, बस सीखने की तलब होनी चाहिए। जी हाँ, इफ़ यू वांट टू लर्न, देयर इज़ नो एज लिमिट। हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे। थैंक यू।
Happy Children's Day. When I was at your age, the first poet I was drawn was Bharati. He is very famously known as Bharatiyar. As a teenager, his poems were very appealing to me. Soon I started to admire Bharatiyar as. Today I am going to share one of his poems, actually a part of one poem for you all. It is written as if a bird is advising men on inclusiveness. First I will recite it in Tamil and then I will translate the meaning of the poem. கேளடா மானிடா வா, எம்மில் கீழோர் மேலோர் இல்லை, ஏழைகள் யாரும் இல்லை, செல்வம் ஏறியோர் என்றும் இல்லை, வாழ்வுகள் தாழ்வும் இல்லை, என்றும் மாண்புடன் வாழ்வோமடா. வெள்ளை நிறத்தொரு பூனை எங்கள் வீட்டில் வளரது கண்டீர். பிள்ளைகள் பெற்றது அப்பூனை, அவை பேருக்கொரு நிறமாகும். சாம்பல் நிறம் ஒரு குட்டி, கரும் சாந்து நிறம் ஒரு குட்டி, பாம்பு நிறம் ஒரு குட்டி, வெள்ளை பாலின் நிறம் ஒரு குட்டி. எந்த நிறம் இருந்தாலும் அவை யாவும் ஒரு தரமன்றோ? இந்த நிறம் சிறிதென்றும் இஃது ஏற்றம் என்றும் சொல்லலாமோ? வண்ணங்கள் வேற்றுமைப்பட்டால் அதில் மானுடர் வேற்றுமை இல்லை. எண்ணங்கள் செய்கைகள் எல்லாம் இங்கு யாவர்க்கும் ஒன்றெனல் காணீர். The meaning of what I recited is, listen to me, great human beings. Amongst us, no one is superior or inferior, poor or rich. No life is trivial. So, let's live a life of dignity. There was a white cat in our house. She gave birth to many kittens, and each of them was a different color. One was in the color of ash, the other was in the color of blackened mortar. The third one was in the color of a snake, and the last was white milk. Though they might be different colors, aren't they siblings and are equals? And won't it be a farce to treat them differently for their colors? Only through love can the world prosper, unite and support each other, and work towards a better world. Listen to me, great human beings. No life is trivial. So let's live a life of dignity. Hope you enjoyed this poem. Once again, my dear students, happy Children's Day.
Hi children, wish you happy Children's Day. Just remember one thing, have the child in you all your life. Thank you so much for being a part of my life, most part of my life, and also teaching me how to trust people, how to have unconditional love for everyone, and how to be affectionate and be genuine with everything one can do. Thank you so much. Love you all. Have a great day. Bye.